Welcome, my friends, to this short and sweet seated yoga stretch. I would recommend sitting up on a pillow today for a little bit of additional comfort. And we'll simply start by extending the right leg out at a diagonal and keeping the left leg bent. And then begin to slowly lean your upper body over that extended leg. You could rest your left hand to your thigh, or perhaps bring that left hand behind your head. You might like to keep the eyes open or close them as we breathe deeply in and out through the nose. And then straightening up through the spine and leaning over the other way towards your left as we spring back and forth from side to side a few times. Really stretching into the side body. Have some fun with this motion. Perhaps going a little bit further each time. And then release. You can sit up tall and roll your shoulders back as we switch sides, bending the right knee, extending the left leg, and then leaning once more over that straight leg with your right hand to your thigh, or otherwise resting behind your head. And it's worth reminding ourselves here that even with just a few moments, we can make a real difference in our bodies and minds. So well done for getting out that pillow or rolling out the mat today to do yourself some good. And then we'll transition back into that swaying motion from side to side, each time reaching that top arm up and over, creating a little bit more space in the body. And taking things just one more time here, side to side, before straightening yourself up once more and crossing the legs. Now interlace the fingers of both hands in front of you and start stirring the pot. So really reaching as far as you can as you circle those fists around. And then switching directions with that circle. Imagine that the pot you are stirring is getting larger and larger as you create more space here. Finish up your final circle and release. Very nice. We'll work through the shoulders now and upper back as we simply extend the legs out into a little pizza slice in front of us. And on your inhale, reach the arms up towards the sky. And exhale, bend the elbows and pull them towards your ribs. And then inhale, straighten the arms up. And exhale, sweep them down towards the side. So that's the sequence. Inhaling up. Exhale, elbows towards ribs. And back up. And sweep them all the way down. Just one more time. Up. Bend them in. And reach. And sweep. Beautiful. Now let's bring the legs together and we'll fold the upper body any amount over those legs as we point and flex through the ankles a few times. This is great for waking up through the backs of the legs. You might feel it in the lower back as well. And as we release, sitting up nice and tall again, plant both feet about hips width apart. And drop your left knee in. You might even pull that left foot a little bit closer to your hip. Walk your right foot out. I'm either sitting up tall or bending forwards. And this is one of those postures where having a pillow underneath our seat or 2 pillows can make a real difference. Let's shuffle ourselves out of that one. This time we'll turn the right knee down towards the mat for that internal hip rotation. Maybe walk the left foot a little bit further out, and perhaps fold yourself over the legs. Deep breath in and out. And then slowly walk yourself back up. Help both legs out in front of you. Give them a nice little shake. Notice how everything is feeling as you find a comfortable seat. And let's sweep the arms up overhead, palms to touch. Exhale them down in gratitude towards your heart. Well done. If you'd like to follow this up with a short 5-minute meditation, I'll leave one on the screen that I would recommend and that pairs nicely with this class. And have a wonderful day.